All right, so we're just going to talk about foot position during lateral movements. So whether that's a lateral lunge, a lateral skater hop, things like that. When we are doing these movements, we're trying to create abduction force. So going laterally, and as we do that, we want to make sure that we're producing the force in the correct manner. Just similarly, if we're jumping straight forward, we're not going to jump with our feet pointed out. And so it's not really going to transfer over to sports that well. Or if you're doing these for other sort of reasons, then we might need to modify. But in general, when we prescribe these exercises, we're looking for a specific thing. So if I'm doing a lateral lunge, we want to try and think the feet are pointing in the same position as the hips. So if my hips are pointing this way, my feet are going to stay pointing that way as I drop down. So I drop into that lunge, and as I'm going down, feet are pointing that way. It's not like I go to the side and my foot turns out. When we do this, we allow that hip to get away with external rotation instead of abduction. So it cheats your way into a deeper position. So we want to try and work on getting stronger in that position without biasing what we're doing. So whether you're doing hopping movements, we want to plant, keeping that foot in the position that we want to be strong in. That way you can see if you're trying to get away with other things. So if you find that you struggle a lot with this, and you need to talk to your coach about it, because if every time you do a lateral lunge or a hop, any sort of movements like that, you're always trying to cheat your way into external rotation, you might have some sort of weakness that your coach needs to look at.